This is final class
Yay!
for Bachata, our Bachata sequel.
We hope you're enjoying it, and leave us a comment if you want to know more, okay?
Let us know if you have any questions. And here we go. For a basic step, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward break, and we're gonna switch right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I don't do any switch of feet. I just forward step, back tap. Okay, and I bring the right arm over to my right shoulder. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanna make sure that I'm in front of my partner, not in the same line. On 5, 6, 7, 8, or on 4, I'm gonna bring my right arm underneath, and I'm gonna slide to the side. 5, 6. I'll do that. Here is when I do a core beat, and then bring her back 7, 8. All right. So my partner needs to feel when I go from the 4, I go 5, 6, 7, 8. This switches my basic to my partner's basic.
Okay, we're finally here, and now we're gonna do a little styling with the hands.
So
okay?
with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. From here we're gonna check turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. As she's turning, I also wanna instead of the tap, I'm gonna step to switch my basic again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5,
6,
no,
7. Check when it's on 5.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, I switch to my right to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bachata, basic 1. Okay? So